Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So here is my Devilish cat. I did a look similar to this last year, but I changed it up a bit and added a little bit to it. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And if you want to do a makeup collaboration with me, leave it in the comments, or you can message me directly. I have a couple more Halloween looks that I will be uploading, and also breast cancer awareness month. So I appreciate all the love and support, and stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching this video. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to brush my brows out with a spoolie, and I'm going to use a very dark pencil. Boom, got my brows on, and I'm going to use this very dark powder. So I use a black pencil. I normally use a dark brown or a deep brown. Since I'm doing a Devilish cat, I want my brows to be very dark. And then I normally use the brown in this Remake Studio Brow Makeover Kit, but today I'm just going to use a very dark color. And then I'm going to go into this Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. I'm going to take that shade Black Matter and also fill in my brows with that so I can have a little shimmer to it. The same routine as normal, just using a darker pencil today. I figured it would look more dramatic for Halloween. I'm just trying to make sure they're very dark and they're all the way filled in. And then I'm going to take this NYX Control Freak brow gel to set my brows, make sure they stay in place all day. And also so it doesn't sweat off. Right, next I'm going to take my NYX Proof Fit Waterproof Primer to prime my lids, and I'm going back into that same palette, use the shade Fireball with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that all over my whole entire lid, minus the brow bone. Then I'm going to take my Hikari cream Pigment Fierce, and I'm going to apply on top. Okay, now I'm going to take my Galactic, I don't even know how to pronounce this eyeliner, to draw my wing liner today. Very dramatic wing liner today. Okay, now I'm going to take this black to smoke out my lower lash line, and for my waterline I use that same black that I did for my brows, the LA Girl. I think it's very black. And I'm using this very small brush to get that black as close to my lash line as I can. That's why I love this brush, because it's really good for getting that small space. Then I'm going to add a little bit of red up underneath to blend out the edges. Then I'm going to take my Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extensions Mascara for my upper and my lower lashes. I really love this mascara because it has my lashes looking snatched. Now I'm going to take this RK Ruby Kisses Bling liquid eyeliner, glitter liner, and I'm going to outline my wing liner with it. Then I'm going to take this white shadow to highlight my brow bone. Okay, this part is really tricky because I really have a hard time drawing liner in the inner part of my eye. So I'm basically just doing a small triangle using the very tip of this eyeliner pencil. This tip is really fine. And then I'm going to take my NYX black eyeliner to go over it after I apply a little bit of silver shadow there. So I have my e.l.f. cream black eyeliner, and I'm using this to make my devil's pitchfork. And not to be funny, but when I finished doing this, I realized my pitchforks look like little penises. But I was like, whatever, this is the first time that I ever tried to do anything like this. So I'm basically using the cream eyeliner to draw it. And then I'm going to take my eyeshadow to set it. And then I'm going to take my NYX liner to go over it, like to outline it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of red to it. Alright, you guys, here is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. And I know this is a big improvement from last year, but love you guys so much. Stay safe out there. And if you want to see any other Halloween looks I did, click on my Halloween series on my IGTV channel. Bye. And I also have more on my YouTube. Bye.